So, for question B, the first step in any problem is to write out the formulas that you're supposed to be using. But, oh my goodness, look, it's already written for us. So, I'm not going to rewrite it. But, if this were not written on the page, you'd rewrite it first. Okay. The second step is to determine your A, your B, and your C value. So we have A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to. All right. So what is our A value, Callan? 1. What is our B value? 5. Thank you, Mr. Espanol over there. C is -6. So now let's plug these values into our quadratic formula. So we have -b, which is 5, plus or minus the square root of
5 squared.
Minus 4ac all over 2a. And our A value is 1. And so there we have it. So now we will simplify. -1 times 5 is just -5. Plus or minus the square root. What is 5 squared? -4 times 1 times -6. That's positive 24. Because we have a negative times a negative, which is a positive. Yeah. And that's all over 2a, which is just 2. So now, let's add 25 and 24, and we get 49, which is really convenient because that is a perfect square, which makes our life much easier. And that's all over 2. And you're going to tell me right now that the square root of 49 is? All right. And so I'm going to convert this to +7. And now it's time for us to hop into our minivans and go to positive world. Yes! Yay. Where there's no Justin Bieber and no Taylor Swift. And so here we go. And the sun is always shining and there's enough water and Kool-Aid for everybody. So -5, we're just going to take the positive and the plus and minus. -5 plus 7 over 2. What is -5 plus 7? It is 2. So we get 2 over 2, which is equal to? 1. And oh my goodness, that's what we figured out in the warm-up already. Isn't that pretty cool? So now, I'm sorry to say, we're going to negative land, where we're always listening to Justin Bieber or Taylor Swift.
Or both at the same time.
Or both at the same time.
That's so cute.
And so we are only going to use the negative symbol here.
They both have like the same.
So -5 minus 7 over 2. Oh my goodness, we have Justin Bieber being sung by Henry Allen right now.
And Rebecca Black.
Oh, Rebecca Black. How could I forget Rebecca Black? Friday. Sorry. So -5 minus 7 is? We got -12 over 2. What's -12 over 2? -6. -6. And that is the same root that we found earlier today for the same equation. So we have solved this quadratic expression using the quadratic formula, and we've gotten the same answer we got through factoring.